The Hector's dolphin, which has gone nearly extinct and is breeding future generations at a very slow rate, is in the middle of one of the most dangerous recipes for species survival. Their current population is only about 20% of what it was in the 1970s. Hector's dolphins are the smallest and rarest marine dolphins in the world. They have distinct black facial markings, short stocky bodies, and a round dorsal fin that is shaped similar to a Mickey Mouse ear. The Hector's dolphin's habitat is pretty restrained. They can only be found in shallow coastal waters and small subpopulations around New Zealand. What seems like a very peaceful place for this species to roam is actually the root of their danger. Living in close proximity to the shore puts Hector's dolphins at risk for many of the issues they face, as being close to the shore puts them in direct conflict with humans. The first 10 to 20 miles offshore are where these dolphins are concentrated. It is also where most commercial fishing occurs. This leads to the biggest danger factor, known as bycatch. The nets that are placed out to catch fish trap Hector's dolphins and drown them. These gill nets are made out of something called monofilament, which is so thin that it cannot be detected by their echolocation. Another major threat is pollution. Pesticides can reach dolphin habitats through coastal runoff, and metals such as mercury, lead, and cadmium can enter the environment through human activities. These materials don't break down and can accumulate in these dolphins over time. Hector's dolphins are also bound to parasitism. They are exposed to a range of diseases through ocean-bound runoff and through contact with other species. Toxoplasmosis, a disease caused by cat parasites, is a particular threat to Hector's dolphins. In one study, over half of the dead Hector's dolphins were infected with the cat parasite that causes disease. Unfortunately, their population is down 74% and they only reproduce at a rate of 2% per year, so the loss is heavily outweighing the growth. Seeing as Hector's dolphins can only be found in one country, their future depends heavily on a single country's jurisdictions. Much of their conservation outcomes have depended on politics. Currently, the most effective management methods known for Hector's dolphins are removing gillnet and trawl fisheries from their habitat and changing to more sustainable fishing methods that do not interfere with dolphins. There is still hope for the Hector's dolphin, but we need to act fast by advocating for conservation efforts and law and changing our popular habits. There is still time to save New Zealand's beloved dolphin.